Next is our dipole moment. Okay, dipole moment. Now, what is dipole moment? Dipole moment is the product of our charge and electronic displacement of the particle. Then charge into electronic displacement of the particle. Okay. Next is there are some factors on which the dipole moments depends. So let's see that. First one is our on the basis of electronegativity. So more the difference in electronegativity, there more is the dipole moment. So where we can conclude from this, electronegativity is directly proportional to dipole moment. Here we assuming this dipole moment as mu. So from now on we will write it as mu. Okay. Next is mu is directly proportional to our S character. Now many of you don't know what is S character. S character is, suppose there is a molecule of hybridization has sp, so it has 50% S character, 50% P character. So this is called S character. For sp3 it will be 75% of P character, 25% of our S character, like that. So third is our dipole moment will depend upon the size of the surrounding atom. So size of surrounding atom. Okay. Now we are gonna see some special examples on the regarding this dipole moment. So first is our this is very common question in NEET, that arrange them on the basis of the dipole moment. So I am gonna just write that because it is practically derived, so you can not deduct in exam hall just by any factors or criteria. So just better to remember it. Okay. This is the thing greater than this. So it has dipole moment 0, the last one. Okay. So next is our comparison of this and this. So now you will say that it has dipole moment mu equal to 0. So why it doesn't have dipole moment? Because many of you are thinking that it has Cl here, it has Cl here. So it is dipole moment is 0. It is OH there and OH here. So why its dipole moment is not 0? That is, it is practically derived, and also you can see that dipole moment is inversely proportional to angle of the atoms. Okay, angle of the atoms. So this factor here also going for it, because OH has plus M character and Cl has minus M character. So we will run it in organic chemistry. So for now, know that it is practically derived that its dipole moment is not 0. Next is our NH3. Its dipole moment is greater than NF3. Why is that? We're going to understand it. That is, it has a dipole moment like this. Okay. So N is more electronegative than H, we all know from the periodic table. So what is it doing? It is attracting their electrons towards it, this nitrogen, and this dipole, because of this dipole moment, what happens? This lone pair also attracts them, so they have a summative situation here on the dipole moment. Okay, but here in case of F, we see that F is more electronegative than our nitrogen, so it attracts their electron. F is attracting N's electron or nitrogen's electron here, so eventually this value will get lesser because it is not getting the attraction of the electrons from H. Moreover, F is fluorine is attracting nitrogen's electron, so it will be less than NH3. Another example is, you can see that CH3Cl is greater than CH2Cl2 greater than CHCl3 greater than CCl4. Last one is as usual mu equal to 0. So you can see that with the increasing of this Cl, their value is decreasing. That means dipole's moment's value is decreasing here. Okay. So these are the special examples. Now there is a formula for percentage ionic character. We have to remember it. It is related to this dipole moment. Okay. Formula of percentage ionic character. So what is that? That is 16 into psi A minus psi B plus 3.5 into psi A minus psi B, its whole square. So here, what is psi A? Psi A is electronegativity of atom A. Psi B is electronegativity of atom B. Okay. So here our dipole moment is done.
To learn difficult concept of physics, chemistry and biology within few minutes to crack NEET and JEE with fun, like, share and subscribe our new YouTube channel Shantu. You will get conceptual videos, highly effective notes, short tricks, mock tests and much more. Hope we shall meet there.